Thinking of building the next Careem, a one-stop app for rides, food delivery, courier, and more? You're not alone. The super app wave is taking over the world, and it's big business. But how much would it really cost to build a multi-service app like Careem? Let's break it down. What is a multi-service app like Careem? A multi-service app like Careem offers multiple on-demand services under one roof. Think taxi booking, food delivery, grocery shopping, courier services, even payments. The goal? Convenience for users, more revenue streams for business owners. But with great functionality comes great investment. Cost breakdown. So how much does it really cost to build a multi-service app like Careem from scratch? Let's break it down. First up, core features, $20,000 to $40,000. This includes both the user app and the service provider app, with essentials like user registration, real-time GPS tracking, in-app chat, and secure payments. Next, the admin panel, $5,000 to $10,000. This is your control center, where you manage users, track performance, handle payouts, and view analytics. UI UX design, $5,000 to $15,000. Here's where the look and feel come in. A smooth, intuitive experience is what keeps users coming back. Backend development and APIs, $15,000 to $30,000. This is your engine. It powers real-time tracking, handles business logic, and connects everything with secure APIs. Testing and QA, $5,000 and up. Before launch, every feature must be tested across devices, networks, and edge cases to make sure your app runs flawlessly. And finally, ongoing maintenance, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. That includes server monitoring, feature updates, bug fixes, and keeping things secure. So, what's the total damage? Depending on your app's complexity and your team's location, you're looking at anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 or more. And the timeline? Expect 6 to 12 months of development time, or even longer if you're building everything from scratch. The alternative, white label solutions. Here's the truth. Not every entrepreneur has the time or capital to go the custom route. That's where white label solutions come in. You get a pre-built, ready-to-launch app with all the essential features of a super app at a fraction of the cost and time. No need to reinvent the wheel, just rebrand, customize, and launch. Why Quickworks is your best bet. At Quickworks, we've spent years perfecting our white label on-demand app solution. Whether you want to launch a ride-hailing service, food delivery app, or an all-in-one super app like Careem, we've got you covered. 100% customizable lightning-fast deployment, scalable architecture, real-time tracking, multilingual support, and more. All this without burning a hole in your budget or waiting months to launch. So if you're ready to kickstart your multi-service empire, don't start from scratch, start smart. Visit the link in description and schedule a free demo today.